Je ne serai jamais appelé prince pour hériter ce que le roi va laisser. Désormais, appelez-moi le roi de...
Hello, Myra. Speak louder. What do you have? Okay. Do you have a bird? Say, no, I don't. No, I don't. Okay. Do you have a fish? Do you have a cat? All right. Do you have a rabbit? Yes, I do. Great. Let me see your rabbit. Okay, now show and tell us about your rabbit. What is the name of your rabbit? My rabbit is Myra.
No.
My rabbit is Becky. I see Becky here. Yeah, your rabbit is Becky. Now, what's the color of your rabbit?
He's the
My rabbit is green. Yes. Speak louder. Orange. Great.
red.
Very good. Okay. Is your rabbit big or small?
Is the big.
My rabbit is big. Say, my rabbit is big.
My rabbit
Great. Now, what does your rabbit eat?
my rabbit is the carrot.
My rabbit eats the carrot. Very good. Now, what is your favorite pet? What is your favorite pet? My favorite pet is a fish.
No.
What's your favorite pet? It's a
The rabbit.
So say one more time. My favorite pet is a rabbit.
My favorite pet is the rabbit.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yaya